Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to draft a drop shoulder sleeve pattern. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothings Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you! I'll be working with the following items: front and back basic bodice pattern, basic sleeve pattern, French curve and ruler, paper, scissors. Ideally, a pencil should be used to draft a pattern, but for tutorial purpose, I will be making use of this black marker pen, tape measure, and pins. So I have here my front and back basic bodice patterns, which I drafted using the bust dart technique. The tutorial for this will be above and in the description box below. I also have here my basic sleeve pattern. The tutorial will also be above and in the description box below. The front waist dart is this wide because I have already closed the bust dart and I transferred it to the waist. In order to alter this pattern into a drop shoulder sleeve, I have to decide where I want the drop shoulder sleeve to end, and this is midway between the shoulders and the armhole line. So I will locate and mark the middle point like this, and I will square a line across for both the back and the front basic bodice patterns. So this is where the drop shoulder sleeve will end. This is the basic sleeve pattern. What I will do now is to measure what I have from the tip of the shoulder down to where I want the drop shoulder sleeve to end on both the front and the back patterns. I will go ahead and measure and mark whatever value I get along the front and back sleeve edges like this. I will now square a line across like this. From the middle line, the middle of the sleeve, I will come down by ½ an inch. I will now use this as a guide to curve the lower part of the section of the sleeve that I intend to use for the drop shoulder sleeve. So this section of the sleeve is what I'm going to use to create the drop shoulder sleeve on the pattern. So I'll go ahead and trace it out on another paper like this using a tracing wheel. I'll go ahead and make the tracing bolder like this because the tracing is not visible on camera. I will use my marker pen for this. I'll cut it out. I will also divide it into two along the middle line of the sleeve. I will now go ahead and pin the sleeve to the back and front armholes. The back part of the sleeve will be pinned to the armhole of the back pattern, while the front part of the sleeve will be pinned to the armhole of the front pattern. I will make sure that I'm pinning the armholes of the sleeve to the armhole of the back and front basic bodice patterns. I will now go ahead and blend the shoulders with the new drop shoulder sleeve. The shoulder tip should be slightly raised by about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch. I will extend the hem of the sleeve by ½ an inch. I will now connect the shoulder tip to the point using my French curve. I will also connect the hem to the new 1/2 inch extension. I will do the same thing to the front basic bodice pattern as well. I will now remove the old sleeve pattern pieces like this. This drop shoulder sleeve is almost a sleeveless sleeve design, so you might need to raise or tighten the lower part of the armhole curve. So I'll go ahead and raise the lower part of the armhole curve by 1/2 inch like this. I will now go ahead and cut out the front and back pattern pieces. After cutting out the pattern pieces, I will place the front and back pattern pieces together like this. I will make sure that the length of the shoulders and the drop shoulder sleeve are equal. If there is any slight difference in length, as the case is in this case, it should be trimmed off. So I'll go ahead and trace out any excess like this using my marker pen. I will now trim it off. So that's it, guys. We are done. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video with your friends who are interested in sewing, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See you in my next tutorial. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.